XMR, we start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we are going to get the one more drop and we expected the price drop to 240. Anyway, as we can see, the price dropped more than what we expected, and the lowest price we get was somewhere around 212. All right, no one see what's the next because we have been looking for the reversal. No one see whether we can get the reversal. That's meaning if we get any trade setup for buy or not. But we need to know, can we expect this one to give us one more drop and retest the previous low, which is somewhere around 176 or 175? We need to be quite careful about this because if the price continue and drop, retest the previous low, then we will be within this correction or within for longer time. That's mean it is because tend to a big correction. The price can be within this soon for longer time before we get the reversal. All right. The reasons I want to highlight about that, that's if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they need to be quite careful. They need to know how to manage. All right. Because based on for daily chart, still we don't see the reversal point. And if we move to forward chart, first thing, if we put this loan relative to the previous one, we want to see what we have based on indicators. We see we had a divergence based on MACD, and the second indicators also we had a divergence. Anyway, now we cannot confirm this is the start of the up move because of the divergence. That's why if we want to look for trade for buy from here, we need to be quite careful. If the prices start to drop, retest the previous low, is good for us because we can see the divergence and we see the price is losing the momentum. Then any reversal from there, we will take the trade and we can consider for long-term trade. All right. But if anyone wants to take the trade for buy from here, we need to know this is the short term within this correction because we can expect this one turn to more complex for one more drop. This is the only things I want to highlight here. That's mean for me, from now, I will be more interested to buy rather than the sell. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But one thing, if the price continue to drop, we just let it go. Then with the breakout of the previous low, if we get any reversal, we will take the trade. But if we get any opportunity to look for buy from here, we consider as a short term. Then we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, which is somewhere around 255 or not. If the price could break, we keep the trade and we let it go. If not, we take out the trade. Then from there, we look for sell. The reason is we can expect this one turn to a correction and as a flat. Okay, now we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if the prices start to drop from here, I will just let it go. I will wait for the price to retest the previous low, which is somewhere around 212. Then from there, I will look for a reversal. But if we get any opportunity to buy from here, the first target we're looking for is 247, following by 254. We want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. If the price could break, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. Then from there, we look for sell. Anyway, this is the how we can look for trade. Mostly we don't get any good trade setup within this range unless we see the breakout of the 212. That's why if we want to look for trade within this correction, any trade is a short term, we need to be quite careful. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.